At the Business of Story, we believe your story matters, especially if you feel like a quirky outsider, a challenger brand, or simply misunderstood. There is so much opportunity waiting for you, but the problem is you're not captivating customers with your authentic stories. Just imagine how cool it would be if people actually got you by understanding your unique origin story. Picture your people rallying around your crystal clear vision and mission. Remember how it felt when you started seeing sales take off? Well, times that excitement by 10 when you move more customers to action with your stories. Now you can discover the secret of the proven step-by-step story cycle system that has grown brands by as much as 600%, increased the influence of their leaders, ignited sales teams, and built camaraderie throughout the organization. This complete framework is simply a better way to communicate, but you have to understand the magic to cast the spell. So tap into our live virtual mastery classes, workshops, and deliberate practice programs to help you excel through the stories you tell. But don't just take my word for it. Click the link below this video to learn more, because you know what? Your story matters. Story on, my friend.